evening, Daniel.
Hello.
Hello. To the people in the audience who didn't see the first one, tell me what you do.
I do voice impressions and I sing with those voice impressions.
This young man only did what you're about to see in his room, and then the next place he took it was the biggest stage in the world. Do you think you could up the game?
I definitely think so.
All right.
I'm hurting, baby. I'm breaking down. I need your loving. I need it now. Yes, please. Precious, come and put it down on me. Paprika, yes, please. Won't you come and put it down on me?
I hate him.
I'm amazed that, this is your second time performing in front of people. Is that true? You've just been doing this in your bedroom?
My bedroom, my basement, or my closet.
Well, you're out of the closet now, and...
We're gonna deliberate, and we'll talk about it, and we'll talk to you later, okay? Okay, sounds good, Howie. Okay, thank you.
That was good.
Well, good luck. There's
Thank
6 spots left.
There
We
are
shall
6.
see.
A lot of pressure.
A lot of pressure.